Passive income is like magic. You earn money even while you sleep. Imagine earning without actively working every hour. That's the power of passive income. It gives you freedom and flexibility. You can spend time doing things you love. No more trading time for money. Passive income can help you achieve financial goals faster. Want to retire early? Need money for a dream vacation? Passive income is the answer. It creates financial security. Even if you lose your job, your passive income streams will keep flowing. Building passive income takes effort, but it's worth it. It's like planting a tree. You nurture it at the start, and it gives you fruits for years to come. Start building your passive income streams today. Your future self will thank you. AI stands for artificial intelligence. It's like a smart computer that can learn and do tasks like humans. AI can automate tasks. This means you can use AI to do repetitive work for you. Imagine AI writing emails, creating content, or managing your investments. AI is revolutionizing how we work and earn. It's becoming easier and cheaper to use AI tools. You don't need to be a tech expert to leverage AI for passive income. Many user-friendly AI tools are available. AI can save you time and energy. Time is precious, and AI helps you free up more of it. You can focus on things that bring you joy and income. AI is a powerful tool. Use it wisely to create a better financial future for yourself. Many AI tools can help you generate passive income. Let's look at some popular ones. First, we have AI writing assistants. These tools help you create high-quality content quickly. They can write articles, social media posts, and even books. Next, there are AI-powered marketing platforms. These platforms automate your marketing efforts. They can help you reach more customers and boost sales. AI chatbots are also gaining popularity. They can handle customer queries 24/7, freeing up your time. Finally, you have AI-driven investment platforms. These platforms analyze market trends and make investment recommendations. They can help you grow your wealth passively. These are just a few examples. New AI tools are emerging all the time. Meet Sarah, a busy mom who earns passive income using AI writing tools. She uses these tools to write and sell ebooks online. Sarah now earns a significant side income from her ebooks. Then there's John, a freelancer who uses AI-powered marketing platforms. John automates his social media marketing using these platforms. This helps him attract more clients and grow his business. These are just two examples. Many people are already using AI to generate passive income. AI is not just a futuristic concept, it's a present-day reality. More and more people are turning to AI for financial freedom. If they can do it, so can you. Section 5. Your AI-powered passive income journey starts now. Ready to start your passive income journey with AI? Here's how. First, identify your interests and skills. What are you passionate about? What are you good at? Next, research AI tools that align with your interests and skills. There's an AI tool for almost everything. Choose a tool that fits your budget and needs. Many AI tools offer free trials or basic plans. Start with a simple tool and gradually explore more advanced options. Once you've chosen a tool, learn how to use it effectively. There are plenty of online resources and tutorials available. Don't be afraid to experiment and make mistakes. The best way to learn is by doing. Section 6. Mastering AI for long-term financial success. Incorporating AI into your financial strategies can lead to long-term benefits. AI can help you make smarter investment decisions. By analyzing market data, AI can identify profitable investment opportunities. AI can also help you manage your finances more efficiently. AI-powered budgeting apps can track your income and expenses, helping you save more. Moreover, AI can automate your savings and investment contributions. This set-it-and-forget-it approach can lead to significant long-term growth. By automating your finances, you free up time and mental bandwidth. You can focus on other important aspects of your life, knowing that your finances are in good hands. Remember, the key is to stay informed about the latest AI advancements in finance. Continuously educate yourself and adapt your strategies to stay ahead of the curve. Section 7. The future is automated, AI, and your finances. The future of finance is deeply intertwined with AI. AI is poised to revolutionize how we manage our money, invest our savings, and achieve our financial goals. Imagine a world where your personal AI financial advisor provides customized financial advice. This advisor analyzes your financial situation, goals, and risk tolerance to craft a personalized plan. AI-powered fraud detection systems will become more sophisticated. They will proactively identify and prevent fraudulent transactions, keeping your money safe. AI-driven micro-investing platforms will make investing accessible to everyone. These platforms will allow you to invest small amounts of money regularly, making it easier to build wealth over time. The possibilities are endless. Section 8. Don't just dream it, AI it. Passive income is no longer a distant dream but an achievable reality with the help of AI. AI tools are readily available, affordable, and user-friendly. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Start exploring how AI can transform your financial life. Take the first step today. Research AI tools, experiment with them, and see what works best for you. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your passive income streams grow over time. The power to achieve financial freedom is in your hands. Embrace the potential of AI and unlock a world of possibilities. Don't just dream it, AI it. Section 9. AI, your ticket to financial freedom. The future is here and it's powered by AI. AI is not just a technological advancement but a gateway to financial freedom. By harnessing the power of AI, you can create passive income streams, automate your finances, and build a secure future for yourself and your loved ones. Don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back. Embrace the transformative potential of AI. Start your journey towards financial freedom today. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is now. AI is your ticket to financial freedom. Get on board and enjoy the ride.